Hello guys, welcome to another video in this Algo Daily Challenge. And in this video, we want to solve the array intersection problem. So it says, can you write a function that takes two array as inputs and return to us their intersection? Okay, we should already know what intersection is. So intersection is an item that exists in the first array and also exist in the second array. So that is what intersection. And you can see here we have green and red. So we have the green, which is the green, and we have the red. So this is also the green and this is the red. So what they want us to return is the intersection, which is this one. They want us to return the intersection. All right, so how do we solve this problem? Okay, let us look at the constraint. Okay, wow, they're giving us an example here. If you look at this example here, you will notice we have two in the first array and we have two in the second array. So we have to return two. Okay, and if we scroll down and look at the second one, you will see we have 9 and 4, right? We also have 9 and 4 here. Okay, so that is the intersection of that item. All right, so we have a constraint, and the constraint, it says expected space complexity should be O of max of O and N. So expected time complexity is O of N plus M. To solve this solution, what I will do, I'm going to copy everything to my VS Code, and I'm going to create a file. I'm going to call it array intersection.py. Okay, I'm going to paste everything. Okay, let me close this. And okay, so I'm going to separate unit test from the real code. So this is where I'm going to write my code. So guys, for this solution, I am going to use the brute force approach, and I'm going to compare what is in this array that is not here, and I'm going to add it to the result, and at the end of it I want to return the result. So to do this, I'm going to do a for loop. So for every number in nums1, then um for every num2 in nums2. Okay, so I'm going to use an if statement. So if num rather is equal to num2, so all I'm going to do is to add it to the result. So I'm going to do result dot append. I'm going to append the num. So it means I have this num in both array. Okay, so at the end of everything, I want to return my result. So I believe this will work. Let me run the code. Okay, I've run the code and you can see all tests is passed. So guys, the time complexity for this is let me write it here, is O N plus M. Reason for this is we are looping through the first item and we are also looping through the second item, but the second item is actually depending on the first item. So this is what O(n) of n time. Okay, and the space complexity of this is O of n multiplied by m. Okay, the reason for this is even though we are saving only the intersection of the arrays, we can actually save every possible item of both array. So this is the space complexity, which is the O of n, which is the first one, and multiply by m. So this, I should put the space here. This is what the space. All right, guys. So let me copy this and put it on a platform. So I'm going to copy everything and put it on a platform. Okay, I'm going to paste it here and run. Let's see if it works. Um, we're waiting for the result and we can see it works. So all right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you in another video.